you a newbie and struggling to understand data structures? Don't worry, here in this video, I'm going to discuss much deeper about the linked list. By the end of this video, you will understand not only about the linked list, but you will get a clear picture on all the data structures. So do not skip this video, watch till the end and be a good programmer. Without any further delay, let's get started. Welcome to GS2 Tech Talk Java. To understand linked list or any other data structures, first we need to understand what is data and how system handles it. What is data? Anything that we want to store in a system is treated as data. In the system, space is nothing but memory. System stores data in the form of bits. What is a bit? How system stores the data in the form of bits is involved in different technologies, is completely out of the scope for this video. So we need not to take care about how system storing the bit. Now, what is a bit? A bit is the space in the system memory which can store either 0 or 1. It can store only a 0 or 1. The operating system takes care of storing and retrieving the data. We need not to worry about it. The combination of 8 bits is termed as 1 byte of memory. Even though these bytes are not physically consecutive in a hardware like RAM, they are logically consecutive. That means operating system take care of handling all the memories in a consecutive way even though they are at random locations. To store or retrieve the data, operating system need to understand where are the free bytes to store the data or the memory locations where it can retrieve the requested data. To handle all these operations effectively, OS assigns each memory location an integer value. This integer value is treated as the address of that byte. When we store the data more than a byte, OS stores it in a logically consecutive bytes and treat its first byte address as the address of the entire data. Even though it stores 1000 bytes of data, it will be identified using the address of its first byte, which is nothing but a just integer value assigned by the operating system. Now, let's discuss about node in the linked list. A node in the linked list is a block of data stored in the memory at some random locations assigned by the OS. We use a variable to store the address of that node, which we call it as the head of the list. The head is an integer value where the first node has been stored in the memory. The node comprises of two values. One, the actual data we want to store in that node. The second one is the address of another node. The address is also termed as a reference. So the first value is the value what we want to store in that node, and the second one is the reference of another node, which is nothing but the address where the another node has been stored in the memory. If there is no address of another node in one node, then we treat it as an end of the list. In this way, it makes a chain of nodes. We have the address of the first node, which is nothing but the head, and the first node has the address of the second node, and the second node has the address of third node has the address of fourth node, and the fourth node, and so on. The last node won't have any address of any node, so it will be the end of the list. This is all about the linked list. I hope you got the clear picture on what is linked list and got idea about all other data structures as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up to this video and share the video with your friends so that they can also get clear idea about linked list and other data structures as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.